recording. Tangent to circle. It is clear? This is our lesson number 50. Lesson number 50. Okay. You should make notes. Okay. Every lesson you should make notes and remember the formulas. Okay. If you are not making the notes and not writing the questions, then it is not good thing. Okay, for you.
Mm.
I have no loss, but it is your loss. I already teach you inscribed angle is the half of the central angle. Okay, an arc, we make the inscribed angle and central angle by an arc. Okay, see here, this is I make the circle and I tell you again, we revise the previous concept again. Okay, for example, follow, see, this is a
Mm.
circle, this is a circle. Can you make the inscribed angle?
Mm.
Inscribed, this is center. I make the arc, then you should draw the, you should, this is AB, this is arc AB. Okay, and then you should draw central angle and inscribed angle. Okay, uh, okay, keep attentive. Okay, pay attention. I am recording the lesson and I will send it to your mother. Okay,
Awesome. Okay.
good. And then you should tell me what is central angle and what is the inscribed angle. Make central angle and inscribed angle. Okay,
Mm.
make central angle and inscribed angle. Can you make central angle? What is the definition of central angle?
Mhm.
Tell me, tell me. Can you make? You cannot make the central angle of this arc. This is an arc. Okay, make the central angle. Central angle is it can be made the angle made by arc on center. Center, it will be central angle. Okay, this is the arc. See here. On the end point, at the end point of arc, you draw the lines and draw the make the angles. Make the angles. Angles on center is called the central angle. Angle made by arc on the center. On the center is called the central angle. Can you make the central angle, Paulo? Use your pen tablet.
Yeah.
Yes, on center. On center. Draw it on center. Okay, good. Endpoints. You draw the radial segment. These are radial segments. Okay.
Mhm.
Choose different color. Okay, good. Which angle is central angle? Can you make the this angle or this? This both are
Mm.
central angle. Both are central angle. Okay. This is central angle. Clear? Can
Mhm.
you make the? I write its value is 100. Okay. And make any inscribed angle. Make any inscribed angle. Okay. What is inscribed angle? Inscribed angle is angle of
Mhm.
angle made by arc at any point of circumference, at any point of boundary. Okay,
Yeah.
draw the inscribed angle.
Mhm.
Draw the inscribed angle, Paulo. Draw it.
Inscribe angle
Yes.
here.
This is the central angle. This is central angle. Okay. Choose these points A and B and draw inscribed angle. Okay. Choose A and B and draw inscribed angle. Okay, good. Choose line tool. Paulo, draw proper. It is good. But draw here, from here. Again, draw line tool. Again, draw. Again, draw, okay? You should again draw, Paulo. Hello?
Mm. Okay.
You should draw these end points, okay? These end points. Choose line
Mm,
segment, line tool, okay? Do it. Do it,
line
Paulo.
tool.
Yes, yes.
Yeah,
Draw here.
I already did.
Where I cannot see. Where is drawn?
Mm-hmm. Then
Uh,
scroll angle.
but I cannot see your writing. You have made?
Yep.
Okay. But I cannot see, okay? So you should see. This is the inscribed. Any point, okay? Any point. This is inscribed. Means this is the common point is on the circumference. Common point of inscribed angle is on the center and the circumference. Okay, this is the center circumference. Okay, and this is inscribed angle. And what is its value? Write its value now. Okay, Paulo. Uh, okay. You should draw the circle. This is 40 degree. Okay, good. And the following result we also revise the measure of
Mm,
of inscribed angle is
mm,
inscribed measure of inscribed angle is half of the half of the central angle made by same arc. Okay, clear or not clear, Paulo? Hello, it's clear.
Where?
Okay, good. And the tangent to circle, I think tangent to circle is also clear. What is first tell me what is the definition of central angle? What is the definition of inscribed angle? Tell me, and then we will move to next. What is the definition? Means what is the definition of central angle? What is the definition of inscribed angle?
Mm,
Central angle is angle formed by the arc on the center. Okay, and the
mhm.
inscribed angle is angle formed by the arc at the any point at any common point of circumference. Okay,
Okay.
what is the definition of tangent? Tangent is a line segment. What is definition of tangent? Can you tell me the tangent? Can you draw the tangent of a circle?
Line segment.
Yes, draw it. Make circle and draw the tangent.
You mean the tangent?
Tangent, okay, tangent.
Tangent? What do you have a tangent?
Yes, you don't know the tangent definition.
It's tangent.
Yes, it is tangent.
There you go.
Draw proper. It is not proper. Your line cannot pass through the circle. Draw it proper, Paulo. It is not proper. Select the circle. From figure, select the circle and draw the line. Select line tool and draw proper circle. Draw it. Select the circle, Paulo. This
Okay.
this is circle. You should now draw. Click the line tool. Click the line tool. It is not touching the circle. It is not
Uh,
touching tangent. It is not tangent. Tangent will pass here, this point. Draw it correct. Draw correctly. Paulo, draw correctly.
Mm.
Select the line tool. It is not very difficult.
Mhm.
See
Okay.
here, this is the tangent, okay? This is the tangent at point, other point, any point, this point, okay? This is the point P, and this is tangent. Tangent is a line or line segment, okay? A line. When I say draw the line or tangent, then you should select the circle. Do work proper, okay? A line. What is the definition of tangent? Tell me the definition of tangent.
The line on the circle.
Which passes through, which touch the circle at one point or more than one point. A line segment. Tell me, 1 point or more than 1 point. Tangent is a line segment that touch the circle, that touch the circle externally at 1 point or more than 1 point. Tell me.
More
Tell
than
me.
one
Tell me.
point.
No, only one
Uh,
point. Okay. Only 1 point.
yeah.
It will cut the. It will passes through the circle at 1 point. Okay. It is the definition. A line segment to a circle if it intersects the okay, intersects the circle exactly once. Okay, exactly once. Clear or not clear, Paulo?
Yeah.
And this is the circle, and there is also common tangent. Okay, there is also
Mhm.
common tangent. We have also draw these common tangents. Now we draw the tangents to the circle from same point. This
Okay.
wait, this is the point, okay, and I am making the circle. You can draw two tangents from this point, to this circle. Can you draw the tangent from this point P to circle?
Hmm.
Two tangents from point to circle. Can you draw? Paulo, select the line tool that passes through this point and 1 point of circle. No, I am saying draw the tangent that passes through this point also. This point and cut the circle at 1 point. Paulo, you are not selecting the line tool. Select the line tool, proper work. It is not tangent. Tangent cannot pass through the circle. It touches the circle externally. It is not tangent, Paulo. It is
Okay.
not tangent, okay? It is not tangent. Clear? You should tell me. Again draw the line. Choose line segment, Paulo. Choose line segment and draw the line that passes through this point and the circle. And circle, touch the circle externally, not internally. Externally, it will touch the circle. No, Paulo, it is not. When we will increase, then it will pass through the circle. It is not the tangent,
Yeah,
okay?
we made it passing through the circle.
No,
Yeah.
tangent cannot pass through the circle. It is not good,
Oh, you
okay?
said it passed through the circle.
Wait, I draw one tangent, then you should try to draw other tangent, okay? Clear?
Okay.
See, you should select the line tool. First, select the line tool. I am selecting the line tool, okay? See here, Paulo, see here.
Mhm.
Wait. I will click the icon. Okay. See here. This is, and then I am moving. Wait. I will rotate it. Okay. Again draw. Okay. Again draw. Wait. This is the circle. Okay. Where? I'm trying to move it. Okay. But wait. Wait. Now. See. Okay. These types. This is the tangent. Okay. See here. It cut the circle at one point. Clear? Not clear. Can you draw other tangent, Paulo? This is one tangent, Paulo. Draw other tangent, Paulo. Hello? This point is P. Paulo, draw other tangent. Other tangent from point P. Straight line, Paulo, not straight line. You're using the pen. Use the line tool. Line tool or draw straight. Choose line tool, Paulo. Hello, Paulo.
Okay.
Choose the line tool. Choose the line tool and draw it again. Not waste your time. Draw line. You can select the line. You can draw the line as like me. See here. You can also draw it with pen, but draw proper, okay? Can we draw any other tangent? Tell me, Paulo. Can we draw any other tangent?
Mm-hmm.
No, we cannot draw any tangent, okay? From one common point, we draw two tangent to the circle. We draw two tangent to the circle. We cannot draw other tangent. See here. If we draw this line, this is not a tangent because it is passing through the center, passing through the
Okay.
circle, okay? It is
Well, I'll
not,
quickly go to the bathroom.
it is not tangent, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Oh wait, I forgot my water bottle.
Okay, go. Okay, Paulo, see.
Okay.
See here, Paulo. From point we can draw two tangents only. Okay. This is not tangent. Sometimes you draw the line that passes through the circle. Okay, it is not
Yep.
tangent
Yep.
because when it will pass through the circle, it will touch the 2 points. See here, it is not tangent because it passes through 2 points. Our
Got it.
tangent passes through only 1 point. Okay, not
Okay.
tangent. Not tangent. Okay, it is not tangent. Clear? Not clear? Tangent is, it is tangent. It is a tangent. Okay. This is the center of circle. And px cut the ps intersect the circle at point A, and py intersect the circle at point B. Clear? Px and next time you should write this lesson and show me. Okay, I will see your notes. Clear or not clear? Px and py are
Okay.
very soon I will teach you physics. Teach. Your mother said teach Paulo to physics. So I will teach
Mm.
you. Clear? You want to
Yep.
study
Yep.
physics or not want to study physics with me? Tell me.
Okay.
Okay. I will teach you physics. Okay. I have good experience. I will teach you in good way. Okay. So PA and PB. See here. PX cut the tangent and cut the circle, intersect the circle at point A, and PY. The PY is other tangent. It intersects the circle at point B. From point we can draw only two tangents. We can draw only two tangents. Okay, clear? Not clear? From any point we can draw two tangents. Okay, and these tangents, see here, distance of point to the distance where intersect the tangent, PA is equal to PB. Okay, PA will be equal to PB. Clear? Not clear?
Clear.
PB is equal to PA. It is the concept. Length of, this is the length of tangent. Okay, length of both tangent. What is the length of tangent? Length of tangent is a distance from point to the outside point to the point on circle where they intersect. Where they intersect. Clear? Okay. We move. The following key fact lists the four important theorem about tangent. The following key factor factor lists important theorems about tangent. Okay, these are very important things. Okay, and you should remember these things. Okay, about tangents. Key fact 11. This is key fact 11. Okay. One point is from any point, from any point, from any point outside a circle, outside a circle. Okay. Outside a circle, exactly uh, tangents. Can you tell me 2 tangents, 3 tangents, 4 tangents? Fill it, fill the blanks, fill in the blanks. Tangents can be drawn. Paulo, tell me, from any point outside a circle, exactly how many tangents? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tangents can be drawn to the circle. From point outside, we draw the tangent, and tell me the number of tangents that can we draw on the that can we draw the number of tangents that can we draw on the circle from outside point. Okay, from point outside. See this case, Paulo, you are not understanding. See this case. This is the point outside. We have draw the tangent. Tell me the total number of tangents. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 or 2. See this figure, Paulo. We have point outside point. This is outside point, okay?
Mm.
Outside point. Tell me. Tell me. Total number of tangents. This is one tangent. This is second tangent. You're not understanding. There are two
Mm.
tangents. There are two tangents. Understand it. There are two lines. See here, Paulo. We cannot draw other tangents. There are two tangents from outside a point. When our point is outside, then tangent from outside point will be only two. Clear, not clear?
Yeah.
Okay, fill in the blank. Fill in the blanks. What is the answer here? From any point outside a circle, exactly tangents can be drawn to circle. What will be here? What will be here, Paulo? Use your graphic pen tablet.
Mm.
Hello? Do it, do it. What are you doing? Right here. What will be here?
Just keep on. Yeah.
What will be here?
What will be here?
Yes.
I don't know. What would be there?
Understand it. From any point outside a circle, exactly tangents can be drawn to circle. 2 tangents, 3 tangents, 4 tangents, 5 tangents. Tell me exactly tangents, number of tangents. Paulo, see here. See here, total number of tangents. See here. One tangent and second tangent, two tangents. Point from outside, we draw only two tangents, okay? Then you should write here. What will be here?
Mm.
What is problem, Paulo?
Yeah.
What will be here? Can you write the number of tangents that we draw from a point outside the circle?
I don't know.
You don't know.
Mm.
You can see this, Paulo, see this. This figure is, in this figure we have drawn the tangents from outside of a circle, outside of a point. This is the point is outside, and we are drawing the tangent from point P to the circle. Tangent from P to the circle. Can you tell me the total number of tangents?
2.
Then write 2 and next. You say I am not understanding. What is problem?
2.
2 tangents. Understand it, okay? If two tangents are drawn from a point drawn from the same two tangents drawn from the same point, okay? The same point same point if two tangents are drawn from the same points point P outside a circle, okay? A circle intersecting intersecting circles at A and B, okay? Circles at A and B. Okay, two tangents are intersecting at point A and B. Okay, in previous figure, see here. And A and B, and tell me PA is equal to PB or not equal to PA is equal to PB. Okay, this is the result. When two tangents drawn from point P and they are intersecting the circle at A and B, then we say PA is equal to PB. Okay, clear or not clear?
Clear.
Then okay, I'm writing
I have to
here.
go to the bathroom.
Yes, yes, go.
Okay.
Follow now. Tell me, I'm making the tangent from one point P. This is Q point. Q point. This is 3. Okay, a distance is a 3. It is A. Okay, and this is a T. This is our T point. Okay, I draw other tangent. I'm drawing the tangent from circle from any point. Okay. Okay. Paulo, tell me if QA equal to 3 Q2 QT. Can you tell me the value of QT?
Mm-hmm.
I have drawn two tangents, okay? Two tangents that intersect at A and T. Value of QA is equal to 3. What is the value of QT?
The value of QT.
Yes. Tell me, Paulo. These are see here. Understand this concept. 2 points P outside of a circle, and we draw the tangent that intersect at A and B. Then their distance outside point from P outside point P distance from point P to the point where they intersect are equals. Okay, Paulo, see here, PQA is the length of this tangent, length of this tangent. I say
Okay.
QT is the length of this tangent. Length of both tangents are equal. Length of both tangents are equal. QA and QT both are equal. What is the value of QT?
Uh, value of QT. Where's Q?
Write the value, Paulo. This is
Where's
Q2.
Q?
No, not
Where's Q? You
Q2.
never wrote Q.
Q is here. Q is here.
Ah, the value of QT
Yes.
3. 3.
Yes, yes, yes. Good. 3. Write 3 here. Qt is equal to 3. Write 3 here. Okay, now understand the next concept. It is very important. The measure of angle the measure of the angle formed by and the measure of angle formed by two tangents. Okay, two tangents. See here, these two tangents make this angle. Okay, this angle make this angle. Okay, clear or not clear? Two tangents make this angle. The measure of angle formed by two tangents
Mm-hmm.
formed by two tangents drawn from the same point. Drawn drawn from the same point P, outside point. Okay, the same point. Two points is half of one half of the two intercepted. Follow, see, pay attention here.
It's 7 o'clock.
Okay. 1/2 of the two intercepting arcs. Paulo, see here.
Mhm.
Hello? Paulo, see. I am giving you the example of this part, okay?
Mhm.
See here. Paulo, pay attention here. Hello? Paulo, draw two tangents that from P to circle. From point P to circle. Paulo, don't pay attention on mobile. You pay attention on here. Okay? Hello? Paulo, come here. Pay attention here, Paulo. Hello?
Mhm.
Hello?
Make 2-point tangents.
Yeah, draw two tangents from point P. Okay. And this is okay. What is the angle between two tangents? Make the angle. This is the angle. Make it. Make the line. This shows the angle. Okay. Okay. This is the central angle. This is A. Give them name A and B. Okay. Give them name A and B. Paulo. Paulo, draw the central angle of this arc, AB arc. Draw the central angle, Paulo.
Okay.
Wait. I write here. Center is here. Center is here. Draw the central angle. Paulo, pay attention here or here. Pay attention here. Draw the central angle of AB.
Mhm.
Draw central angle. This is center.
Mhm.
Draw central angle of arc. Draw central angle of arc. Arc is AB. AB is arc.
Mhm.
Draw one
Yeah.
line from A to center. Draw one line from A to center. This is not good, Paulo. It is wrong, Paulo. For central angle, we draw the radial segment on center, not the. It is not good, Paulo. It is wrong.
Yes.
This is the center. This is the point. Draw line from point A to center C. Draw it. Paulo, draw line from center A to C and then B to C, other line.
Okay.
Draw it.
Mhm.
Paulo, where are you busy? Draw line from A to C and draw line from B to C. It is a central angle. For example, see here. This is central angle. For central angle, we draw lines. We draw lines from A to B as center and A to C. Clear, not clear?
Clear.
Draw the line center. What is the central angle of this AB arc? Paulo, draw it.
Align
Not
to it.
this is not wrong. Draw first the line from point A to C. Point A to C. Where is center, Paulo? Where is center?
Hmm?
Where is your center? Where is your center?
Here. This is the center. Why?
Draw line from point to center. Okay. Draw angle here. If this is 140 degree, Paulo, tell me what will be this angle?
Okay.
Hello? Hello?
Mhm.
Where are busy? Where are busy?
What?
You should find the angle, this angle. Hello, Paulo.
Mhm.
Hello? You're wasting your time.
Mm.
You're wasting your time.
So
Okay?
this is 140 degrees, and this is 140 minus 30, 20, 220 degrees.
Okay. So these are inter.
This is also 200. This both are 200, 140 degrees.
Yes,
Both are
I say
100.
I say this angle is 140.
Mm.
You say this is 70 degree. This will be 70 degree. Wait.
Yeah. Ha.
It is not see here, Paulo. It is drawn from. It is the tangent drawn from the same point is one half of the two, one half of the one half of the difference of one half of the difference of. Okay. The difference of one half of the difference of. You take the difference of these two angles, okay, and then take the half, one half of the difference of angles, Paulo.
Mm.
One half of the difference, one half of the difference. Can you take the difference of 220 and 140 difference and then divide it on 2? Measure of angle P is equal to, right here, Paulo, difference. Can you write the difference? 220 minus 140. Difference means subtraction. See here, 220 degree minus 140 degree divided by 2. Okay. Paulo, solve it. Solve it and tell me answer.
Ah. Wait, I'm gonna check on my keys. Okay, then continue.
Yes, yes, come, come. Come and pay full attention. Leave all things, okay? You are not paying full attention and we are on 2 or 3 points. And you are
Yeah.
wasting your costly time.
Mm.
See, this is take the difference and take their half. This angle between two tangents will be equal to the half of the difference of these angles, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Paulo, what are you doing? Where are you busy? What are you doing?
Listening in class.
You are not in class.
Mm.
Your body is in
Continue.
class. Your body is in class. You are not physically in class.
I
Because you
am
are
in class.
not doing work, I say take the difference, but where are you? I have written the difference and you are not writing the
The difference is
take
70 degrees. No, wait. Difference is 90 degrees.
no, wrong, wrong, wrong.
Oh, sorry. No, 80 degrees difference. 40 degree.
Yes. If I give you other, see here, Paulo, I am drawing the tangent. I am drawing the tangent, okay? I say this is any angle, okay? P. Measure of angle P means value of angle P. Okay, if this angle is 120 degree, this is angle is 120 degree. What will be the angle of measure of angle P? Hello, Paulo.
Mhm.
Find this. Find this angle, angle P.
Wait, did I get this correct? Is it not 70 degrees?
70 degree is not correct. 40 degrees correct. Okay.
Ah, okay. So you minus the, okay, so 120 degrees minus 240 equals, oh shit, sorry. 120 minus 240 equals 120 divided by equals 60 degrees. So this is 60 degrees.
What will be here? Follow first. First, tell me what will be here. What will be here? Follow. Tell me what will be here.
240 degrees.
200 and what will be here? This is 120. Okay, 240 degree, and you are taking the difference.
Mhm.
Take the
Yeah.
difference. Show me. Show me. Take the difference. What is measure of angle P? Right.
120
Two.
over 2 equals 60 degrees.
Okay, 240 minus 120. Okay, it is this concept is clear or not clear?
Clear. Mhm.
Okay, I come. You should wait. Okay, after 3 minutes I will come. You should see all next previous pages. Okay, I am coming. Okay. Hello, Paulo, come here. Hello, Paulo. Hello, Paulo. Okay.
Hello.
Paulo, you should send me the today lesson in the group, okay? I will wait, okay? And now see. Now see, and next day you should remember all the concepts, okay? When, this is key factor 12. Key factor, factor J12, okay?
Hmm.
When a square is, when a square is inscribed. Inscribed means inside the circle. When we draw the square inside the circle, and vertices of corners of the squares touch the circle, okay? A square is inscribed in a circle, okay? In a circle, the diagonals, pay attention, diagonals of the square are diameter. Diagonals of the square are diameter of the square are diameter, okay? Diameters of the circle. Diameters of the circle.
Okay.
Come here, Paulo, come here. Hello?
Continue. Wait, I left this.
AB. Wait, I make the figure and you should see. Hello?
Yeah, coming.
I'm waiting.
Okay.
Okay, see
Continue
Paulo.
class.
See Paulo.
Continue.
What are you doing, Paulo?
I'm listening. What do we do?
You are listening with dog. It is not good. You should pay attention. You should solve, not play with dog, okay?
Oh, yeah, continue.
No, leave it. It is not the study. It is not study. You are passing your time.
What is it? Continue.
Okay, see here. How can you use graphic pen tablet with a dog?
I have a hand.
Okay, but okay. See here, Paulo. The square of inscribed circle. When a square is inscribed in a circle, The diagonal of a square are diameter of the circle. Okay, diagonals of square and the diameters both are equal. Wait, I make it. Okay, AB is a diagonal. Wait, first I write the theory, then I will make the figure. Diagonals and a diameter. See here, and a diameter. You are busy in mobile.
Yeah, sorry, just plans.
Okay, not today. Your condition is not good. Okay, today your condition will see your mother, and but you are not caring. See it. I'm recording the whole lesson, okay? And all performance with your mother.
Good.
See it. It is good, but not good for you. See here. Follow.
Yep, that's where. I know what those are.
I'm making the inscribed circle. Wait. Square. I'm making the inscribed square. Inscribed square is inside the square, and it will touch the means if our circle will passes through the corners, will passes through the corners of the passes through the corners. See here, these are vertices or corners. Our when circle passes through the corner, then this is square is inscribed square, inside square. Okay, and then see, Paulo, can you draw the diagonals?
Yeah.
Draw diagonal.
Here.
Diagonal.
Diagonal lines.
Yes, pay attention, full attention. Draw diagonal, Paulo. Hello, draw diagonal. What is problem, Paulo? It is not
I don't
good.
know.
It is not the
Five are.
behavior of good student. You are
Oh,
doing sit down proper and not use mobile, okay? And draw the diagonal. You are
yeah.
drawing the square. I say draw the diagonals. Diagonals, you don't know the diagonals. This is the square. I say draw the diagonals of square. Diagonal of square is a line from opposite vertex. Draw the line, Paulo, from opposite vertex. This is one vertex. What is the opposite vertex? Draw the line.
Oh.
Proper line tool. Select the line from the tools. What is this, Paulo? Not proper work. You should. This is. Choose. Draw the line, proper line, not this curved line, straight line. Draw straight line. See here. This is the diagonal, okay?
Perfect.
Yes, but not. It is not good. Your performance is not good today. You are again busy, again and again busy in mobile.
Yeah.
I think mobile is very
What?
important than study. Mobile is important than study. See here, Paulo. AB is a diagonal. AB is a diagonal. Tell me, it is a diameter or not diameter?
Diameter.
Yes, our diagonal AB is a diameter. Okay, it is also diagonal of square and also the diameter. What is the definition of diameter? Tell me the definition of diameter.
Definition of diameter. The two radii.
Yes, two radii, but it is a line. It is a chord passing through the center of circle. It
Yeah,
is
which is two
chord.
radiuses.
Two radii, but not all two radii makes the diameter. See here, I am making the two radii. See here, this is one radii and this is other radii. This is not the diameter. You say two radii are diameter. It is wrong definition. There are two radii in diameter, but definition of diameter is something different. You say chord. What is the definition of chord?
Definition of chord. One point to another.
You don't know the chord. I am making
Yeah.
the circle. What is problem? I teach you chord again and again. Draw a chord.
I have to go to the bathroom, sorry.
Just go and but
Top what? Okay.
Follow, pay full attention, okay? It is not good thing. If you don't want, then you should tell me. I will not teach you, okay? I cannot teach in this way. You are non-serious behavior. You are my one
Okay.
student that have this behavior. All students study with interest and they do work. But you don't want to do the work during lesson. I say you should only work during lesson, but you should not want to do work. See here. Now see here. How can you make concepts when you are not paying attention? Pay attention, pay attention. When we draw the circle, when we draw inscribed square, this is inscribed square, okay? And diagonal is the line. You don't know the diagonals. It is very easy thing. Is the line segment from opposite side of the vertex, okay? This is A, B, and its opposite vertex is A. We draw the line from opposite vertex, then this is diagonal. This diagonal is diameter. This diagonal is also the diagonal of square and also the diameter of the circle. Diameter of the circle. Can you make the chord here? Draw the chord here in circle. In this circle, draw the chord.
Okay.
What is the definition of chord? It is not chord. Chord cannot move outside of the circle. See here. This is also wrong, Paulo. See here. You are not touching the 2 points. See here.
We are.
See where it touches the points of the circle, but you are not touching the 2 points. See here. Increase it up to circle. See here. These are the chord. What is the definition of chord?
One point to another in the circle.
Yes, 2 points of the circle. Touch the 2 points of the circle, okay? And now understand next. These things will be used in our practice questions, okay? Okay, I give you. Wait, Paulo. I give you. This is square, okay? I'm making the square. And I am giving you question. Use the concept, above concept, okay? Show good behavior, Paulo. Every day you should show good behavior, okay? Become good student, not bad student. It is not good thing. See here, I am drawing the square. You suppose this is square, okay? Roughly I'm making clear. Uh, I'm roughly making, okay, making the figure, okay. This is A, B, and C and D. C and D, okay. See here. I give you question. If the diameter of circle is, if the, use your mind, okay? Diameter of circle is 3 meter, 3 meter, okay? Find the sides of square. Find the length of side of square. Length of side of square. Can you find the length of side of square? These lengths, these lengths, these lengths, these lengths. Can you find? Diameter is given. Diameter is 3.
Mhm. Diameter is 3.
Yes.
Okay. So does that mean the radius is 1.5?
Yes, radius is 0.15. But we need this, Paulo. We need this. What will you do? This line is the diameter, okay? We need CD and CB. All these are equal. CD, BD, AB, all are equal.
Mhm.
Can you find the value of, if you find the value of any one length, then you should find the length of all, because all lengths are equal, okay?
So I need to find out what this is, the line here.
Both, any, you need any. If you need, if you find dB, then this means that it will be the length of all sides, okay? Which thing you should
All
use?
of these sides would be mm, 3 times 2 equals 9. Oh, wait. No. So the answer would be
Follow which thing you are
so
using. This cannot you solve it. See here, this is
is it the radius? So
the triangle. This is triangle. Cannot solve the triangle. 3.
yeah, so this is 3, then that would make these two 1. No, not 1.5. Um,
See here, Paulo. These are equal or not equal? This and this.
these are also 3.
Not 3, Paulo.
But
These
wouldn't it be? Oh no.
these two sides have same length. These two sides have same length, okay? And write the length. Suppose the length x or y. This suppose this
X.
length x and suppose this length also x, okay? X both. Can you use
Oh,
the Pythagorean theorem?
yes.
Okay, use the Pythagorean theorem.
So it has to be x squared plus x squared
Is equal to,
x square root, which is 3.
follow, write the Pythagorean theorem. What is Pythagorean theorem? Pythagorean theorem is, write it. H square hypo square is equal to,
So it would be 9. It would be not okay. So the square root of 9 is 3. So it would have to be
you should write
x.
the proper x square plus x square is equal to 9. Okay.
So first,
What is x square plus x square? What is answer of this?
mm, mm,
No, wrong. X square plus x square. What is answer? X square plus x square. No, Paulo. What is the answer of
2x
this?
squared. Sorry, 2x squared.
Yes. It's good. 2x square, right? 2x square. Okay.
Equals 9. Remove divided by 2 divided by 2
Yes.
equals 4.5 equals x squared.
And you can use a calculator for finding the this.
Square root of 4.5.
Yes. Take the square under root on both sides. Okay. Take the under root on both sides now.
I know. Square root of 4.5 is 2.12.
Right here, x is equal to.
2.12.
Okay. What is the length of all sides? Write the length of all sides. Okay. What is the length of this side? Why are you writing all lengths are equal? What is the concept behind it?
There you go.
Because it is square. What will be the length of this, Paulo? What is the length of AC? What is the length of AC?
2 point. I put the lines to show that they're all equal, Mohammed.
Okay, okay, good, 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 good. Good, you are intelligent. But lazy sometime. Okay. Uh, there's no need of mobile during the study. Okay. You should put your mobile off. When a circle is inscribed, you can improve in your tests if you give the time honestly. Okay. If you use your time honestly, okay, honesty is the best policy. If you pass your time, then it is not good thing, not good for you. I have no loss, but you have loss. Okay. I have responsibility to teach, but if you waste your time, then I can do nothing. Okay.
Mhm.
When a circle is inscribed,
7.
we have
When a
st-
circle
when a
is
circle is inscribed in a square. In previous example, we have inscribed the square in the circle. Okay. This is the
I'm writing a square in the circle. Oh, okay.
okay. And when a circle is inscribed in a square, wait, I am writing, then you should write down. Okay. The length of diameter. Okay, okay, good. The length of proper, draw the proper, choose the figures. There are many figures. You cannot draw the figures. There are figures, Paulo. You click here, click this tab, and there are many figures. There is
Okay.
circle, there are other figures. You should do the work proper with interest. Okay.
Mhm.
I will send you my other students recordings, and then you should see their interest. Okay. And then improve yourself. Now again,
Mhm.
again write, and the length of diameter, try it again, is equal to the length of the side, length of a side of square, length of a side of square. Okay. Of square. Paulo, draw square and circle. Wait, I am selecting the figure. You cannot select the figures. Hello. When I say draw, this is square. Okay. And I will draw the square circle. See here, Paulo.
Mhm.
I am drawing the circle here. I will
Isn't that
click. I will click the arrow. Okay, this is arrow. Okay, I will move this shape, and then it will cut. Okay, and then I will move it again. See here, on middle. Okay, I am moving. Okay. See it. This is proper figure. Okay, Paulo. Clear or not clear? Then our circle is inscribed. Our circle is inscribed. This is here. Circle is inscribed. Okay. Here our circle is inscribed. Okay. Clear or not clear? Here circle is inscribed, and Paulo, can you draw the diameter? This is a WX. Yes. Tell me, give the name, any name, give any name, Paulo. Give any name. Give the diameter, give the name to diameter, okay?
Oh, sorry.
Okay, good. Mm. Okay, tell me, which side, this WX side and AB both are equal or not equal?
Equal.
Right, AB is equal to WX. Okay, this is the result of our this concept. AB is equal to WX. Okay, good, good. You you should work like this, okay? At the end, you do work proper. It is not good. You wasted 1 hour in playing, and in other words, if you give complete time with honestly, then it will be good for you. Okay, I'm giving you a question, okay? On next page, I'm giving you a question and use your mind, okay? In the diagram, in the diagram below, the circle is inscribed, okay? There will be circle inscribed in a square, means inside a square. In a square, A B C D. A B C D is a square, and A B C D and square and we will also inscribe the square with circle, okay? We have inscribed the circle in the square. First we make the square and draw the circle inside it, okay? And then we draw the square inside the circle, okay? And square PQR S is inscribed in the circle, okay? Okay, I draw one circle. This is the circle, okay? I draw the I am making the square, okay? It is rough, not proper, okay? You draw the square inside the circle, okay? Can you draw the square inside the circle?
A square inside the circle.
Yes, square inside the circle. It will make proper, all sides will be touched. This is not touching. You should touch this to the circle. Okay, make proper, good. Paulo, you should edit it. It will not move outside, okay? See here, Paulo, see here. You should understand it. When you make mistake, then you should correct it. But I corrected. You have no time to correct. See here. This is mistake. Your corners was not touching, okay? See here. This will be cut. These corners, all corners will be meet. This all corners will meet. Okay, clear? It is clear or not clear, Paulo? And below, the circle is inscribed in a square. A circle is inscribed in this square. A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. Give the name of this. What is the name of this? Square PQRS is inscribed in the circle. Means inside circle. What is the name of this? Write the name of this, Paulo.
Okay.
Write its name. It is last question. Do it. Paulo, name is given C here. You have no time to read the statement. This is C. PQRS is a square. PQRS will inscribed in the circle. Our circle is inscribed in the ABCD square. ABCD square. Clear? Our circle is inscribed. Inscribed mean inside. Inside the circle. Circle is inside the square. Means it will touch the sides of square. Okay. What is the name of this square name? Can you write this square name? See here, it is given PQRS. Write the name of this PQRS. PQ. Write the name here, okay? Not here. It will be shows the name of right here. PQRS. RS name here, okay? It is clear or not clear? Okay. Find the ratio of the large square. This is large square, okay? Find the ratio of the area. We will first take the area of large square to the area of small square. To the area of small square. Area of small square.
I'll go by it myself. I'll go by it myself. Who would you go with?
PQ is equal to, Paulo, see here, PQ is equal to 2. Your PQ is equal to 2, okay? Paulo, find the area of PQ, area of bigger area of larger square and area of smaller square. Okay, this is PQ is 2. What will be the, okay.
Would it be double?
No, not double.
Hmm. 3.
No, Paulo. You should write here. What will be this, and this?
2, 2, 2, 2.
Yes, 2, 2, 2, 2. 2, 2, 2. Now draw the diagonal. Draw the diagonal.
The diagonal would be 2 squared plus 2 squared is 8. 8. So 8 square root of 8 is.
Write it. Under root 8. Write only under root 8. Okay. Not take the
Oh.
bracket one.
Under root 8.
Write it. Okay. Paulo, tell me, what will be AB? What will be the value of AB? Can you tell me? See here, this is diameter or not diameter? Tell me.
Diameter.
Yes, this diameter, this will be also be equal to 8. See here, if this is also equal to 8,
Yeah,
clear?
because if it's, yeah, if it's like that, then it's 8. Yes.
Okay, good. Can you take the take the area of both squares? Area of square, larger square, take the ratio. Okay, good, good.
Oh, you find the area of both of them and minus it together to find the area
No,
of
no,
the
not minus, their ratio. You know the ratio means division.
division.
For me,
Divide their.
for example, area, bigger area ratio, smaller area ratio, okay? And then we will divide them A upon A. In ratio, we simplify.
Got it.
Okay, Paulo. Find the ratio. Paulo, you know the ratio. What is ratio? For example, see here. 10 ratio 5. What is the answer of this? We will divide them. 10 ratio 5 is equal to 1 and 2. It is equal to 2 ratio 1. Okay. You find the area of larger square and the area of smaller square. After this, take their ratio. Okay.
Mhm.
And simplify it. Then tell me the answer. Okay. You know the formula area of square. What is the area of square? Paulo, find the area of this ACBD.
Okay.
Find it. Area of ABCD is equal to. Write it, Paulo. Not waste your time. It is last question, okay?
Okay.
After this, we will end the class.
Mhm.
Next time, I will see you in changed form, okay? Not in the. Okay, good. You should improve. Every lesson you should. There will be improvement. Good improvement. Okay. There will be no dog with you. Okay. Clear? Not clear? During study time, books are your friends, not mobile and not dogs. Okay?
Yep. Dogs are not my friends.
No, no, dog is not your friend, means not play with dog. Okay?
Hmm.
It is not good thing. Books are your friend during the study time. Clear? Write it, Paulo. Where are you busy? Right, area of square. Area of square is equal to
Area of square.
big square. Take the area of big square. Right here, area of square. Big square or larger square. Write it. Write it. You cannot take the area of square. You don't know the formula of area of square.
So would it be? Yeah, it's a. So equals 8.
Yeah, write it. Area of larger square. Area of larger square A is equal to. You are taking ratio directly.
2.
Not 2, Paulo. You are taking the ratio. Wait. First write it as first write A is equal to this, okay? And smaller A is equal to 4. Take their ratio. A ratio A is equal to 8 ratio 4. What will be answer? Simplify them. Divide them on same thing. Yes.
Equals 2.
Not 2, Paulo. 2 upon 1. Take in ratio form. Tell me in ratio form now. 2 upon 1. Tell me in ratio form. Change it in this form. We have cancelled some common things, but we will write them again in this form. What is answer? Write 2 ratio 1. Write it. Write it, write it. 2 ratio 1.
Okay. 2 ratio 1 is 2.
No, no, only 2 ratio 1. This is the answer. Okay? When we take the numbers in ratio form, then we will give the answer in also in ratio form. You can also do it. You divide them on, it is also good if you do it. Okay? See here. If we divide on same common thing is 4, means means they are HCF. 1 and there is 1, 2. Our ratio is a 2 ratio 1. Okay? This is our answer. It's clear or not clear?
Okay, clear.
Okay, send me the, I will wait before the next lesson. Send me the solution, send me the complete notes. You should write the notes on your copy and send me the pictures, okay? And
Got it.
also pay full attention in next lesson, okay?
Got it.
Okay? It is not good thing. Not good for me and not good for you, okay? Okay.
Yes.
Okay, take care and bye.
Bye-bye.
You have any question? You have any question?
Nope, I'm fine.
Okay, okay. You have no question.